Hello guys, welcome back to another video from the Lotto Strategizer. So, it was a very interesting lunchtime draw. Not even one number came out. I'm really disappointed with myself, and I really apologize to those who played those numbers today. I really apologize. It wasn't my intention for you guys to lose, because I myself lost. Whatever numbers that I give you guys, I play them as well. So I really apologize. I really apologize. But let's keep our heads up. Let's not be shaken or disappointed by what just happened. Let's move on with life. Okay. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you some 749 strategies and tips that you can use to win most of the draws. I'm not saying all the draws, but most of the draws on 749, Russian 749. So for those of you who don't know what Russian 749 is, Russian 749 is a lottery that plays 5 times a day. I'm talking about, it plays like 10:30, 1:30, 3:30, 7 o'clock, and 10:30. Okay, the reason why I like 749 Russian Lotto is because it gives you like 5 chances for you guys to win. It gives you 5 chances for you guys to win. So if, God forbid, you don't win the first one, you have a chance of winning the second one, and the third one, and the fourth one, and the fifth one. Okay, so for today, for this video, I have like 2 strategies that can give us, I think, 2-3 bankers. Alright, sometimes 4 bankers. Okay, so this is how it works. I'm just gonna give you let's just start from here. Okay, let's just start from here. So how this works is, you add the the biggest number from each draw, plus the second biggest number from each draw, plus 49 again. The reason why I say add 49, because 49 is the amount of numbers in the Russian 749 lottery. Okay, so this is what I mean. So you're going to say 35 plus 49 plus 49, which you'll get a total of 133. So how you divide, or how you break this code, is it's very simple. You focus on the last two digits here, which gives you 33. And then you divide it like this, and then you say 1 minus 33, you get 32. 32, you spin it into 23. There you go. And then what else? What else am I forgetting? Let me just see something real quick. Oh, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So that's how you do it. Let's move on to the next example. Do the same thing here. Okay. Do the same thing here. So you'll say 33 plus 39 plus 49 equals to 121. Okay, so when you get your total of 121, you focus on the last 2 digits, which brings 21. As you can see, 21. But 21 was spinned into 12. And I know about this 21 here, it already played. In some cases, that's usually the case. But in most cases, the number doesn't actually repeat all the time. So just focus on the way I'm showing you. Okay, so this 21 was spent into 12. There's your 12. And then what else did I want to say? You divide it like this, and then you say 1 minus 21. You get out 20, which came as a 2. Alright, it was spent into 2. So look at this, guys. There's something that I noticed. You see, when we got the banker 23 right here, the banker 23, whereby the total or the code was 133, and then we divided it, and then we said 1 minus 33, we got 32. Every time, I noticed that every time we do that, the number doesn't come the way it should, because it was supposed to come as 32, but it didn't come as 32. It was spinned into 23. The same case with this one. It was supposed to come as a 20, but it didn't come as a 20. It came as 120. It came as 2. So for me, what I would advise you do, anytime you see, and especially in this part of this calculation, anytime you see a number that is spinnable, spin it and play the spinnable number, and put more money on the spinnable number than on the number that you see straight away. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next example. 22 plus 39 plus 49. 22 plus 39 plus 49 equals to 110. Okay, so when you say 110, when you focus on the last two digits, it brings a 10. Okay, but 10 already played here. 10 already played. So what came was a 9, because when you say minus 1, when you play the neighboring numbers, minus 1, you get a 9. 9 came. And then when you say plus 1, 11 didn't come. So when you divide the number like this, and then you say 1 minus 10, it still brings a 9. It still brings a 9. So that's how it works. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, which is the one for the 7 o'clock draw. Okay. Oh, and by the way, for people that don't know much about Russia 749, whenever you are betting or whenever you want to play each draw, make sure you play an hour before the actual time. For example, if you want to play the 3:30 draw, make sure you play an hour 30 minutes or an hour 15 minutes before the time. Okay, I'm just pointing that out so that those who don't know. Alright, so when you say 33 plus 47 plus 49, I believe you get a 129. Let me just make sure. Okay. Oh, sorry. 129. So when you focus on the last two digits, it gives us banker 29. And then when you divide it like this and say 1 minus 29, you get a 28. But 28 already played. Where is it? 28 already played. So since we already have banker 29, I think we should go and play banker 27. Okay, 27, 29. That is what I suggest. You can pair them together, 29, 27, you know. You can pair them together or play them as singles. However you want to play it, it's up to you. Okay. Let's move on to the next strategy. How does this one work again? Let me just make sure that I confirm. Oh crud. Where is the strategy? God. Oh god, let's see. Just bear with me, guys. This strategy is a very, very good one. I don't want you guys to miss it. Like, really now? I had it not so long ago. Oh, there we go. So the second strategy started working from here. So with this one, we're gonna do the same thing by adding the second biggest number and the third biggest number plus 49. This is what I mean. 33 plus 49. Oh, sorry. 33 plus 23 plus 49 plus 49, you get 105. When you get your total, look at this. You have your 10. When you focus on the last two digits, on your first two digits you get a 10, you get a bank of 10, and then when you say 10 plus 5, you get 15. Alright, let's go to the next example. 15 plus 22 plus 49. 15 plus 22 plus 49. Get a total of 86. Now, when you focus on the first digits, since it's not a 3-digit code, you get an 8. 8 already played here. Add 1, you get 9. Minus 1, you get 7. 7 didn't play. 9 played. And then when you say 8 plus 6, you get 14. There we go. Then 28 plus 33. 28 plus 33 plus 49. 28 plus 33 plus 49 equals to 110. Okay, so when you focus on the first two digits, you get banker 11, and then when you say 11 plus 0, you still get 11. So 11 is, for me, is a sure banker. So let me just erase this. So for the 7 o'clock draw, from the calculations we just did, we have bankers 29, 27, and 11. These are very good numbers. very good numbers. I like the look of it. 3 straight numbers. Oh, lest I forget, this 29 here, Russia 49 always have a tendency of spinning this 29 into 26. So yeah, just some wisdom there. Okay, so guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.